Hi, welcome to YOYO Times. A group of 174 Indian nationals, including 7 minors, have filed a lawsuit against the recent presidential proclamation on H-1B that would prevent them from entering the United States or a visa would not be issued to them. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson at the U.S. District Court in the District of Columbia issued summons on Wednesday to Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Acting Secretary of Homeland Security Chad F. Wolf, along with Labor Secretary Eugene Scalia. The lawsuit was filed in the U.S. District Court on Wednesday. The proclamation 10052's H-1B or H-4 visa ban hurts the United States economy, separates families and defies the Congress. While the two former points render it unseemly, the latter point renders it unlawful, said lawsuit filed by lawyer Watson Banias on behalf of 174 Indian nationals. The lawsuit seeks an order declaring the presidential proclamation restriction on issuing new H-1B or H-4 visas or admitting new H-1B or H-4 visa holders as unlawful. It also urged the court to compel the Department of State to issue decisions on pending requests for H-1B and H-4 visas. In his presidential proclamation on June 22nd, Trump temporarily suspended issuing of H-1B work visas till the end of the year. In the administration of our nation's immigration system, we must remain mindful of the impact of foreign workers on the United States labor market, particularly in the current extraordinary environment of high domestic unemployment and depressed demand for labor, said the proclamation issued by Trump. In his proclamation, Trump said that overall unemployment rate in the United States nearly quadrupled between February and May of 2020, producing some of the most extreme unemployment ever recorded by Bureau of Labor Statistics. While the May rate of 13.3% reflects a marked decline from April, millions of Americans remain out of work. The proclamation also extends till year-end his previous executive order that has banned issuance of new green cards of lawful permanent residency. Green card holders once admitted pursuant to immigrant visas are granted open market employment authorization documents, allowing them immediate eligibility to compete for almost any job in any sector of the economy, Trump said. Forbes, which first reported the lawsuit filed by the Indian nationals, said the complaint points out that the Congress specified the rules under which H-1B visa holders could work in the US and balance the interests of US workers and employees. The complaint seeks to protect H-1B professionals, including those who have passed the labor certification process and possess approved immigrant petitions. Such individuals are waiting for their priority date to obtain permanent residence, a wait that can take many years for Indian nationals, Forbes reported. Meanwhile, several lawmakers urged Scalia on Tuesday to reverse the work visa ban. Throughout this administration, the president has continued to lament the alleged abuses of the immigration system while failing to address the systemic problems that have persisted and allowed business and employers to exploit and underpay immigrant workers, guest workers and American workers, the lawmakers wrote. This misguided attempt by the president to scapegoat immigrants for policy failures during the pandemic not only serves to hurt immigrants but also diminishes the true problem of a broken work visa program that is in the desperate need of reform, said the letter, which among others was signed by Congressman Joaquin Castro, chair of Congressional Hispanic Caucus, Bobby Scott, chair of Education and Labor Committee, and Karen Bass, chair of Congressional Black Caucus.